Good evening, students. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it may be. My name is Arvind Joshi. Now, let's we continue our study, or let's we continue our module 3, part B, that is nothing but feedback amplifiers. Okay, the next topic is types of feedback connections. There are multiple types of connections. Okay, in that, the first one is voltage series connection, voltage shunt connection, current series connection, current shunt connections. These are all the four types of connections. Okay, for that connections, I'm going to take the first one, voltage amplifier. How to do the connection, students? We are all know the very simple concept is mixer is there in the input side, sampler is there in the output side. That we should know first. Then uh, I'm going to take, I'm going to take first one is first one is first one is voltage amplifier. Voltage amplifier. I'm going to choose pen now. Voltage amplifier. Voltage amplifier. Voltage amplifier. Okay, students. What is the equation for a voltage amplifier as per our studies? AV is equal to output voltage divided by input voltage. That is nothing but gain. AV is equal to output voltage divided by input voltage for basic amplifier. AV is equal to output voltage V naught divided by input voltage VI. Okay, that we should understand first. Second equation we should know Vf is equal to beta V naught. Beta is nothing but feedback gain. Beta. What is the output? Output divided by input. What is the output of feedback? Vf. 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 Divided by what is the input here? V naught. We should know this both equation to write this connection. Okay. Now let's we write. Please write down only voltage amplifier. Concentrate on only this box and this box. Okay. This you need to only concentrate on these two types of box: voltage amplifier, feedback amplifier. Now, now what is the gain equation? AV is equal to V naught divided by VI. V naught divided by VI. V naught divided by VI. VI is nothing but a mixer. V naught is nothing but a sampler. Okay. Is nothing but a mixer. V naught is nothing but a sampler. How we need to connect mixer in the input side VI? Voltage ಬಂದಾಗ we need to connect in the series. Current ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ we need to connect in terms of shunt. But here voltage is there, so series. You need to remember series. Mixer series. Output side also voltage is there, but sampler. How need to connect sampler in the form of shunt. You already know the basics. So uh, the circuit diagram name ಅಥವಾ this block diagram name is voltage amplifier with voltage series feedback. Voltage series feedback. What do you mean by this series? Series is nothing but mixer. This one input. Next one sampler, voltage sampling. That is nothing but output voltage. Totally voltage amplifier with voltage series feedback. Okay. Now, now this series mixer, we need to connect input side. That should be series. Okay, series. How to write the series of circuit like this? Okay, we need to connect one VS supply and directly connect it to the positive, and one negative is connected to VF. VF positive is connected to AV negative. Okay, this is how we need to connect series. In the sampler format, parallel. We need to connect load resistance across AV, and from positive to positive, negative to negative, we need to connect one output supply parallelly. Okay, this is how we need to connect the voltage amplifier connection. Second one is current amplifier connection. How to write this current, how to write this one? First, I'm going to rub the board. How to write? As per our earlier analysis, how we should understand the gain equation. Here AI, AI is nothing but output current divided by input current. Okay, output current divided by input current. What is the input current? I is nothing but input current. How we need to connect input current? We already studied in form of input current is nothing but mixer, that is in the form of shunt. Vice versa of voltage amplifier shunt. Okay, mixer should be in shunt. Sampler should be in the output side, that should be in series. Okay, here current is there, so sampling current. So that's why that should be in series in the output side. Input mixer should be in the shunt type, parallel type. Okay, this is how we need to represent because of this current amplifier. So that's why I'm going to mention the input in the form of current. Okay, now let's we continue the next topic. Voltage I to current amplifier I2. Next, transconductance amplifier. For voltage amplifier, voltage series, current amplifier, current shunt. Okay, here transconductance, that is nothing but voltage shunt. Okay, we need to understand how to draw the this feedback circuit diagram. Okay, here transconductance. What is the equation for trans resistance? Sorry, trans resistance Rm is equal to output voltage divided by input current. Why? Because it is a gain. E is equal to output divided by input. It is what is the output here? V naught divided by I. Ohm's law we need to apply. Okay. Now, what is the input current? Current is nothing but mixer. Mixer should be in shunt form like this. Okay. Output voltage. Output voltage sampler. Sampler should be in shunt form only. Sampler. So this is how we need to write. Next one, second one, last one. Transconductance. Transconductance. What is the equation for transconductance? Transconductance equation is nothing but transconductance equation is nothing but what? For students, transconductance equation Gm is equal to in the resistance output divided by input. Here current divided by voltage. What is the current divided by voltage? Output current divided by input voltage. Okay, input current is nothing but mixer. Mixer is in series. Current is in sampler. That should be so that is also should be in series. Okay, series. Mixer in series, sampler in series. This is what we need to draw. Okay. Here we need to understand one thing is first one, this one in the voltage amplifier in the amplifier when we measure voltage in the mixer side, we need to connect as this one as in the form of series. If in case it is a current in that time in the mixer side, we need to connect it as a shunt. In the sampler side, voltage is nothing but sampler. Voltage is there. We need to connect in vice versa. Shunt in the output side. Shunt. Current is there. That is nothing but mixer. Sorry. This one is sampler. Sampler. Current sampler. That is nothing but how it should be series. This is how first we need to understand. In case sampler voltage is there, voltage we measure mixer in the mixer series. Current we need to measure, that's why we need to select shunt. Voltage in the sampler shunt. Current is in series. Okay, this is how we need to remember. Next topic. Now let's we begin with our very important topic that is nothing but gain feedback equation. Gain feedback equation. Gain feedback equation. Gain feedback equation. For that one, we need to draw the circuit diagram like this. Xs is nothing but supply input voltage. Xi is nothing but input voltage. Xf is nothing but feedback voltage or current. X naught is nothing but output voltage or current. Okay. Input, output, source input. Okay. What is the gain here? A is equal to output divided by input. What is the equation output? Is equal to gain multiply input. Gain multiply input. Overall gain is equal to x naught divided by xs. Okay, the normal gain is x naught divided by xi. Overall gain is nothing but x naught divided by xs. Xi is nothing but what? Xi is nothing but from figure A. Xi is nothing but xi is nothing but what? Xi is nothing but xs minus xf. Xs minus xf. Xs minus xf. Next, xf is nothing but obviously we know beta into x naught. Beta is nothing but xf divided by x naught. X naught is equal to a into xi means xs minus xf. Substitute 5 in 6. Okay. Xf is equal to beta x naught is nothing but xs minus beta x naught. Multiply here. X naught is equal to a into xs minus a beta xs x naught. X naught plus a beta x naught. I'm going to take from the here to left side. That is nothing big x bar x naught minus will going to become the plus a beta x naught is equal to a x remaining same. X naught is nothing but I'm going to take x naught common. X naught is nothing but 1 plus a beta is equal to a xs. X naught divided by xs is nothing but af is equal to a divided by 1 plus beta for negative feedback. If it is again positive feedback, that in that case af is equal to a divided by 1 minus ab will going to take. Okay. I hope all of you understand this derivation, which is very important. We should know AF is equal to A divided by 1 plus AF. For negative feedback, AF is equal to A divided by 1 minus AF, that is nothing but positive feedback. Next one. Next one is nothing but our hmm. Next one, classification of basic amplifier. What are those classification? Voltage amplifier, current amplifier, transfer resistance amplifier, transconductance amplifier. We are all know the expressions. First, we need to analyze the voltage amplifier. I'm going to continue in the next class.